Who can turn down a microwave Mexican casserole loaded with ground beef, bell peppers, chopped onions, and so much more? Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Start by adding the ground beef tenderloin and crumbling it in a microwave-safe bowl. Add in the green bell pepper and yellow onions. Fold to combine. Then, microwave on high for 3 to 5 minutes until the meat loses its pink color and the vegetables become tender. Add in the taco seasoning mix next, followed by the tomato sauce, tomato paste, black olives, water, and chili powder. Stir to combine. Microwave at medium for 10 to 15 seconds or until thick. In a bowl, add the sour cream, eggs, and ground black pepper. Whisk to combine. Then, place the flour tortillas in a baking pan and cover with half of the meat mixture. Pour in half of the sour cream mixture and repeat until all the ingredients are used. Sprinkle it with the corn chips and Monterey Jack cheese, then microwave on medium for 10 to 15 seconds until the cheese melts. Garnish with parsley and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.